Hello everybody, this is a sad video to make. This was, and I say was, a Scots pine, and it was a nice tree, but it had a ropey nabari that I really wasn't happy with, and I had it for quite a long time, and I decided that I was going to air layer it, or ground layer it rather, by removing a section of the bark at the base just above the existing roots and filling it up with this pot. So that's what I did. I think last year's hot sun, in particular the hot sunny weather that we had, eventually just killed it dead. Although in the way that evergreens die, it went slowly and fairly gracefully, in that it remained green right through this last winter, giving me hope that if nothing else I hadn't killed it. But this spring it's just slowly sickened. The needles have gone yellower and yellower, and although they're still clinging to the branches, a quick scrape under the bark tells me there's a little bit of green there, but I don't think it's going to make it. So that ends the playlist for this particular tree, but never mind. Yeah, onwards and upwards. I mean, it is sad. I mean, the base of the trunk is, slightly bigger than the base of this Coke can, so it was a nice chunky pine, and it wasn't to be. So I'm not entirely going to give up on this tree. I'm going to put it in a shady corner, and I'll keep watering it, and it'll die, I'm sure. It is dead, and really I ought to give it up as a bad job, but not always easy. Anyway, just a quickie. I don't like to just end a playlist if something happens to the tree without acknowledging it. I don't think it's fair on you guys if I only show you my successes. So thank you all for watching. In these uncertain times, please take care of yourselves and your trees, and stay safe.